Hey, what is going on? This is Rob from Panther, and today I'm going to show you how to create this glass effect in Photoshop. Alright, first thing, we're going to duplicate the layer of the model. So drag and drop to the little plus. So it created a new copy. I'm going to double click on the text, rename it to FX, basically the effect. Right click on the layer and convert to smart object. Alright, now from here we're going to go to the filter gallery, and go where the distort is and click on the glass. So as you can see, the default is right now is this one, and we're gonna need to choose from the texture, go to the tiny lens. And what we need to do is we got the smoothness going on, just bring down to 0, and from here we're gonna adjust distortion and the scale. If you scale it down, these little texture is going to be really small. If you scale it up, it's going to be more bigger, so it's good to be, you know, kind of a little, but still, you know, so the eye to be visible or the mouth to be visible. So I'm gonna scale it down to this, and the distortion, basically it's gonna spread these little effects even more, you know. And yeah, just play around. This is how it looks. I'm gonna click OK, and I'm gonna cut this in half. So I'm gonna go to the rectangle marquee tool, select this side, and put a mask. There you go, this is the mask. I'm gonna mask it, and this way it cuts half of the effect down. I'm gonna double click on the layer, go to the drop shadow, and make sure the angle is on this side. You know, it's a multiply, and you know, pick some darker color, for example this one, so it's gonna match the skin and it's gonna match basically the environment. Click OK, and then I'm gonna create a new layer with a little plus. I'm gonna go to the gradient tool. Usually the paint bucket tool is on the top. Select the gradient tool and go here where you can select the colors to the gradient. Go to the basic, select, you know, this or this. Actually, this one is modified already, and make sure to recolor it. Click on this little thing, recolor it to white, and click on this also, and you know, make sure it's on white, so both is on white. Click OK, press and hold Shift and drag it like this. Actually, you know what, I can do it like this, and then Control T, press and hold Shift, rotate it. I'm gonna put it right here, and I'm gonna scale it down, the opacity right here. Also, you can change it from to overlay, so it's gonna, you know, have a more natural look to the glass. You can increase, you know, you can test out the opacities to see which one is better. I'm gonna create a new one, might go back to the normal. I'm also gonna test out how it's gonna look like this. And this way it also creates a different effect. It looks like more like a glass. And basically this is how you achieve this effect. I saw this effect is you know, spreading and you know, becoming a little bit more popular. And yeah, this is it. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're new on the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified with daily updates, and also check out the rest of the videos. Have a great day. Bye bye.